उस ज़माने में I was in sales. मैं एक कंपनी में टेलीफोन एक्सचेंजेस वगैरह जो होते हैं, टेलिक्स मशीन्स उस ज़माने में होती थी, कंप्यूटराइज्ड टेलिक्स मशीन्स. I used to sell those things. तो there was one particular client जिससे मैं मिलने की बहुत कोशिश कर रहा था. मैं जाता and अपॉइंटमेंट नहीं मिलता, कॉल करता अपॉइंटमेंट नहीं मिलता, जाता तो वो एमडी साहब की सेक्रेटरी टहला देती. But I was like totally focused. I just wanted to meet that person. And there is this interesting thing that operates in this world. It's like whatever you focus on, you somehow attract in your life. Okay? What happened was when I was in this training, and there were about like I think 35-40 people in that group, और उन्होंने वो 5-6 लोगों के groups बना दिए थे. Now one of the person in my group was that particular person that I wanted to meet. Okay? And he was the head of organization. That organization. Okay? अच्छा, अब ऐसे ही बीच में एक एक्सरसाइज के दौरान बात हो रही थी and he said कि कामरान तुम क्या करते हो? And I said कि I sell these telephone exchanges. He said really? यार हमारी कंपनी में हमें टेलीफोन एक्सचेंज की जरूरत है. Why don't you come and meet me? I said अच्छा, I didn't tell him actually. I have been trying for so long. I said अच्छा आपको जरूरत है? Okay. So he gave me his personal number and he said कि यार ठीक है like let's meet on Monday. So Sunday को ट्रेनिंग खत्म होनी थी. Then I said okay. I called him on Monday. And जब मैंने मंडे को कॉल किया मैं वहाँ पर गया and it's like so उनसे मुलाकात हुई. Then he showed me the old telephone exchange that he was using. उस पुराने ज़माने में जो telephone exchange थे, it was like एक इतना बड़ा सा डब्बा सा रखा हुआ था. ऑपरेटर क्या गया and like यहाँ से निकाला इधर लगाया, इधर से निकाला उधर लगाया. अब क्या होता यहाँ की कॉल वहाँ पहुँच गई, वहाँ की कॉल वहाँ पहुँच गई. There was like always a mess up. Okay, and then they had this old wiring. So and then he took me to the basement. Inside that basement, when we went inside that basement, it was a big room. और वहाँ पर जो टेलीफोन एक्सचेंज लगा हुआ था, पुराना टेलीफोन एक्सचेंज, there was lots and lots of noise inside, lots of noise inside the basement. Okay, and I asked him, it was so loud inside the basement. It was even difficult to talk to each other. And I said, and his name was Abdullah. I said, Abdullah bhai, how long have you been using this? He said, since the beginning of the organization, the inception of the organization. And I said, okay, I think we need to make some changes here first, because the wiring, जो पुरानी की सारी wiring हुई है, it's an old wiring. Okay. So I said maybe I need to send some of my company's technical staff who can come and give you an estimate of यहाँ पे wiring वगैरह change करनी होगी. He said great, go ahead, no problem. Okay, because we are planning to install a much more sophisticated system. It's good that we get rid of all the wiring first, and that's what we did. After all the approvals and everything, the first thing we did was we started like cleaning up inside gradually. It took about a week or so. So, मेरी जब उससे introduction में, as I said, like NLP, that was like the beginning of like my learning about NLP. This was about in 1992. Okay, and I was like learning about this. My father had passed away, and मेरे अब्बू का जब इंतकाल, my father was an artist by the way. Okay, and मेरे अब्बा का जब इंतकाल हुआ, हमारे घर में उस like एक अलमारी थी. उस अलमारी के अंदर there were like old paintings, unfinished paintings. Being an artist, probably किसी ने उनको दिया, and then he started working on it but couldn't finish it for some reason, or maybe he didn't like it, so he left it. And there were and हमारे घर में एक पुराना टेप रिकॉर्डर होता था. उस पुराने ज़माने में स्पूल वाले रिकॉर्डर होते थे, उसमें आप यहाँ पे टेप लगाते थे, पूरा घुमा के हेड में से गुजरता है, यहाँ पे आप ब्लैंक लगाते थे, फिर उसमें and my father used to play some songs on it. I remember when I was about like maybe 5 or maybe 6 or maybe younger. I used to hear अब्बा मेरे उसमें song like एक मन्ना डे एक इंडियन सिंगर होता था, उसका होता था मेरा नाम करेगा रोशन जग में मेरा राज दुलारा, तुझे फूल कहूँ या चंदा, तुझे दीप कहूँ या. And I used to think, I used to imagine as if my father is singing those songs for me. At this stage you have a imagination that can take you anywhere. Okay. Now, and then we also had this 8 mm की, video projector होता था. I still have that camera with me. So it doesn't work anymore, but I still have it. It's just an antique now. Okay, 8 mm की छोटी सी film होती है, so like only a couple of minutes long, and then you project it on your screen. It's your mental screen sometimes. And you see those old videos. So when my father passed away, I opened that cupboard, and it was एक कबर्ड हमारी एक छोटी होती थी और एक कबर्ड थी पूरी कमरे में अलमारी की दीवारों के अंदर जो बनी हुई होती है लकड़ी की. Okay, and I saw inside there were termites. पुरानी लकड़ी की अलमारी बनी हुई है, उसके अंदर there were termites, and we had all of this, these leftovers from my father. Now I had to make an important decision at that time. I had to make an important decision. The decision was simply this. I had to realize, number one, in order to love your father, your parents, your elders, you do not have to carry the garbage that they left. Do you understand this? We have to realize that they are just as human, or were just as human as we are. They made their share of mistakes. Masoom to nahi kehna. Right? Okay. So we don't have to carry all the garbage that they've left. In fact, that would be stupid, if we repeat the mistakes that our elders made. It is wiser, the more respectful thing would be that जो legacy जो उन्होंने हमारे लिए छोड़ी है, हम उसको आगे बढ़ाएं. We move forward in life. Right? It would be stupid if we repeat the same mistakes. नहीं कि हमारे अब्बा का ये तरीका रहा है तो हम भी वैसे रहेंगे. His Abba was just another human being. Loving him, respecting him doesn't mean repeating his mistakes. Does that make sense? Okay. So I took all of that stuff. Okay. And burned it. और वो जो अलमारी थी उसके लिए बुलाया मैंने फ्यूमिगेशन वाले साहब को. ही केम एंड सेड जस्ट लाइक इस पे तो फ्यूमिगेशन करनी पड़ी. उन्होंने आके सारा he started working on this, cleaning this thing up. Okay. Because I needed that space. So I was telling you about